Core Open Knowledge, the Portlets. The Portlets section consists of a number of widgets that provide access to different options or tools. Each portlet is represented by a blue bar with a title and an arrow. Click on the arrow to expand a portlet and access the associated features. Click the arrow again to collapse the section, leaving more room on the screen for other portlets to expand. The Portlets section can be customized in a number of ways. First, you can click and drag portlets by grabbing their title bar and dragging it to the desired location. This feature lets you customize the space to better suit the way you tend to use it. Second, you can delete portlets from your dashboard by closing them. To do so, you click on the X at the end of the title bar. After you click the X, Core will ask you if you are sure you want to close a portlet before removing it from your dashboard. Removing the item from your dashboard need not be permanent. You can always add it back again by clicking on the Screen Options button in the upper right corner. Here there is a list of all the available portlets. To replace an item on your dashboard, just click its title and a dialog box will appear, and you can replace it on the dashboard. At this time, you can also rename or customize the label on your portlets. For example, Favorites can become Jamie's Favorites or My Favorites. Next to the Screen Options button is a Help button. Clicking this button opens a very simplistic screen built into the Aquila software that runs Core. It's not an extensive help menu like the one you would find in the Guide to Core tab, but it does provide some background about portlets and the navigation menu. Finally, in the upper right corner is the Logout button and a Profile button. The Logout button closes your session of Core and ensures that no one can add or delete files using your login. The Profile feature in Core is not like a typical profile where the user adds personal information. Rather, it is where the user can set the language of choice, the time zone, and can choose which collections to follow. However, given the size of the collections in Core and that there are only 2 of them, only one if you're a student, the need to identify a collection to follow is not a particularly valuable option for our instance.